Hey YouTube, it's Taki with TaqiTech. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you're going to get a lot out of this here. We're going to work on our next column, our next row here, eye color. And actually, I already recorded a video. Well, I thought I did, and it wasn't recording, unfortunately. And that's the first time this happened to me in over 30 videos. So I had a good streak there, and it's over with now. But maybe I'll be a little bit more articulate on this video. So basically, we're in column E, row 6 here, where we have eye color. It was next up here. And when I wrote the code for eye color, when I made the module for it, it was basically all I did was this copy from hair. It was basically this exact same code that I used from in hair. So, and of course I made some adjustments. I changed it from get hair color to get eye color. I changed the header name to eye color. Let me see here. I changed this function, eye color. I think it was his hair color before. And then I had to change each of these variables down here in order for it to change the different eye colors. And we have blue. I think this was blonde. I think this was black. Now it's dark brown. I think this was just regularly brown. I'm pretty sure we didn't have green hair. Not sure what that was before. We added amber and things like that. And if we run it, and who has the best eyes? I couldn't think. I had don't know last time. I can't think of anyone now. I think Ashraya. Don't know how to spell her name. That's why I didn't do it last time. All right. Yeah, I could have put my wife there. There you go. All right, so there we go with the eye color. And like I said, last video that was never recorded, I'm going to figure out a way to center these two. So that's probably upcoming in the next video. If you like what you see here, or if you have any suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you like the content on this channel, make sure you subscribe. And thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, take it easy.